Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we just finished up this 22 double cab TRD Off-Road. This has the red shock bodies in the front. All we did on this truck is a front leveling kit. So basically we use our lower preload collar. We don't use the top half-inch shim. And we took some measurements before like we were supposed to. And like I said, we always take our measurements from the center of the axle here to the bottom edge of the wheel well. This truck, we took all four corner measurement. It was a little bit higher on the passenger rear corner, but it's because of the gas gauge, a little bit low, and the gas tanks on the driver's, or excuse me, on the passenger side on this truck. So just real quick, from the center of the axle to the bottom edge here, it was 21.5, and now it is 23.25 here on the front of this truck. And then in the back here, it is 23.5. So it is a 1/4 inch higher in the back than it is in the front with just our preload collar. So if you're thinking about, you want to just level your truck, you don't want to lift your truck, you just want to level it out and possibly maybe some wheels and tires, and you probably at this height there, you could probably get a 35 in it. You're still going to want to do the lower fender pin back on this to get it to fit, but you could go this route without doing anything to the back of the truck. So if you're interested in our front kit only, we do offer that. It's on our website. We make them for the black shocks, and we also make them for the red TRD Pro shocks, or excuse me, not TRD Pro, the Bilstein TRD shocks. So hope you guys enjoy it. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. As you can see, my hands are dirty. I actually got involved in this one, but I wanted to make sure that we got this car set up right for the customer. So anyways, thank you again for watching.